Ford F-150 2019. This is a aluminum truck. I already weld the top with this Carolina CR200. I already weld the little aluminum top there. So right now with that tool, I'm pressing it out. So the process is that you have to use heat. You gotta use a heat gun. You gotta heat it up. So you gotta heat it up the aluminum. If you don't heat it up the aluminum no more than 400 degrees, you gotta heat it up. Otherwise, you're gonna tear. You're gonna damage the panel because you need to heat it up to allow you to repair the aluminum. Heat it up a little bit, no more than 400 degrees. So heat it up a little bit. You can use your gauge to gauge the temperature. And see this lever over here, I pull it a little bit. And then after you pull it, you twist this to put a little more pressure about there. Okay, and then you can use your hammers, aluminum hammers, and tap it. That's how you repair the aluminum. It's very easy, very simple. I hope you guys like my video.